Despite advances in science, the human body remains somewhat of a mystery. Over the centuries, numerous theories about how we work have emerged, only to be proven false further down the line. Here are 10 completely false facts about the human body. We only use 10% of our brains. Weighing in at just over 1.4 kilograms, the human brain is home to nearly 100 billion neurons, which the brain has almost 1 quadrillion. Wouldn't it be incredible if all this processing is only making use of 10% of the brain's bandwidth? Alas, this fact is utterly wrong. We're not sure where the claim that we only use 10% of our brains came from. It takes 7 years to digest a piece of gum. After swallowing a particularly large piece of bubble gum, many of you may remember being horrified to hear that your digestive tract would spend the next 7 years trying to digest it. If your 7 years isn't up yet, you may be relieved to learn that this fact is complete nonsense. Chocolate will make your skin break out. As if puberty, high school, and those teenage years aren't hard enough, many of us grew up learning that our chocolate intake had a causal relationship with breakouts. Well, we're here to let you know that this old wives' tale is false. Eating chocolate will not cause you to break out. Carrots improve eyesight. The myth that carrots will improve your vision is wrapped up in a twisted history of wartime propaganda. To be fair, carrots are great sources of beta-carotene, an inactive retinol that is transformed into vitamin A during digestion. Vitamin A provides all sorts of benefits to the body, including the protection of eyesight. But does it really improve one's nighttime vision? The answer is no. We have 5 senses. This one should be easy, right? Not so fast. The belief that we have 5 senses dates back to the time of Greek philosopher Aristotle, who was the first to discern the 5 discrete senses of the human body. You probably learned them in elementary school: sight, hearing, smell, touch, taste. Yes, these are 5 of your senses, but they aren't the only ones. Rolling your tongue is genetic. Many of us can remember being taught, by a biology teacher no less, that our ability to roll our tongues was simple genetic fate. The majority of people can roll their tongues, and societal wisdom held that tongue rolling was a dominant genetic trait. But it's wrong, because identical twins cannot roll tongue. Heat escapes through your head. The myth that we lose the majority of our body heat through our heads, however, more recent research finds that, all else being equal, an excessive amount of heat doesn't escape from your head. You lose approximately 7% of your body heat through your head, which makes sense because your head is roughly 7% of your body's surface. Hair and fingernails keep growing after death. The idea that protein shards of keratin keep growing at our extremities in the days and weeks after we die is freaky. Well, we're here to let you know that it's simply not true. Our bodies dehydrate rather rapidly once we die. When this happens, our skin starts wrinkling and pulls inward. This gives the illusion that our hair and nails are still growing. Cracking knuckles will cause arthritis. A cross-study analysis by doctors at Harvard Medical School found no evidence that cracking one's knuckles has a causal link to arthritis. That said, you still might want to give up the habit. Chronic knuckle cracking is linked to weaker grip strength. Furthermore, it's just annoying to listen. Shave your beard, and it'll grow back darker. Who hasn't heard this one? You can shave your beard, or for women, the hair on your legs, but your efforts will be in vain. Not only will the hair grow back, we're told, but it'll grow back faster and darker than before. This is absolutely false. In fact, we've known this isn't true for quite some time. One of the first contemporary studies on the issue took place in 1928. Alas, any changes in growth speed may be caused by underlying hormonal changes, but otherwise, it's all in your head.